Good morning, everybody. Happy Friday, and thank you for visiting my channel. I am going to give a quick recap of the craft fair I was in this past weekend. The day started off being cold and rainy, which didn't help, but the weather cleared up by the time the doors opened, so that was good. I'm going to go through very quickly the bestsellers. I'm in Connecticut, and the craft fair was at our local high school. There were over 100 vendors, thereabouts, and it was a large show. The booth space was $45 plus an extra $5 if you needed to rent a table. The fair was a little disappointing. It was weird this year. I've been in that fair before and a lot of sales, but this year things were a little bit different, and I think everything that's going on had something to do with that. I'm not going to complain because I made the money I had invested. I made all of that back, so that's good. Did I make a huge profit? No, but that's what happens sometimes. A lot of the vendors were disappointed, and I feel bad about that. But let me start in right away with what actually sold. And those were the little items, the stocking stuffers, as I would call them. The lower priced items were good sellers. This was the biggest seller of all, was the Hershey Kisses gift card holders. There are a couple of tutorials on YouTube that show you how to make these, and I used dies from Cottage Cuts as the decoration. This is another one with Santa Claus, and I don't know if the camera's picking it up. I'm sorry for the glare, with the Believe and little stars. So I sold these for $3 each. And all of my little items were $3 each. So those almost sold out. I also want to thank Elegant Creations by Edwina. I will link her channel below. She has tutorials on how to make these next two items. And this, I made loads of these little purses. And this was my second bestseller. People could not get enough of these, and I made tons, so I have some left over those as well. These are little purses that mimic Coco Chanel, and you open it up, little Velcro dot there, and I put in some Hershey chocolates with almonds. So those were really good. And I had the pinks almost all sold out. I only have one left of those, I believe. The white, the black, and a minty Tiffany blue color. So those were really fun to make and a great seller. The other item that Edwina showed or had a tutorial are these little sewing machines that hold a little Hershey snack bar. This die is from KS Crafts. I believe I got mine off of Amazon. I checked yesterday. They are not on Amazon, but you can find it on AliExpress. Edwina's were a little different in that she stamped the word singer on hers, and hers are so beautiful. I didn't have those letter stamps, so I did the best with what I have in my stash. And I used a little mulberry rose. I had the light pink and kind of a darker pink. So those were the other bestseller. Now, with the items that I have left over, I saw several people on YouTube that are offering mystery boxes, and I thought that's a fantastic idea. So I am going to offer a mystery box as well. Mine are going to be $50 each. That includes shipping. There's going to be 10 to 11 items in each box, based on around $20 for shipping. You're paying $30 for the goods. 10 or 11 items in the box averages out to around $3 for each item. Now, what I am going to do is show you what's in the box, or what will be in the box. The mystery will be what color you might get, what fabric pattern you might get, because I don't expect people to pay $50 for something that they have no clue of what might be inside the box. It's hard nowadays. So let me get into that, and I'll bring that box over. And of course, if there is something that you see that you want, a certain item, I will try my best to accommodate you. This is PayPal only, United States only, and you need to be 18 years of age or older. So one of the items you will get is, every box will have a Christmas card. This is a Karen Berniston, made with a Karen Berniston die. This is polka doodles paper. I think I did a video on these a long time ago. I love making these cards. And you open it up, and it's got the little gingerbread, a little reindeer, little bows made out of seam binding. And there's a spot in the back for you to write to from. You'll either get the blue with silver, or you'll get the gold, the pink and gold one. Each one will have a plastic bag for you. Again, this is polka doodles, and it's the pink. So you'll get one of those. You'll get a scrunchie. I have all different colors of the scrunchie. This is made out of bridal satin. To give you an idea of the colors, I'm just going to try to move this out of the way. It's gorgeous colors. Here's a darker pink, a beautiful purple here, royal purple, navy blue, off-white. So you'll get one of those. You'll get a bowl cozy. This one happens to be the Grinch. This fits a 10-inch round bowl. My cozies are not to be put in the microwave, and just want to let you know that. I don't believe in putting anything in a microwave unless it's a microwave-safe dish. I just don't trust any of the fabrics or the threads, even if it says 100% cotton. I don't trust them. So this is strictly to keep your hands from being burnt. You place your bowl in the microwave. When it comes out, you put it in the cozy. These I have. I'm sorry to keep pushing that away. Again, I have different patterns. I have the Christmas. This is with a truck. I have the flamingos. They're all different colors. There's the Grinch again. I have a buffalo check. I have the fun ones with the donuts and the cupcakes. So you will get bowl cozy. Okay. The next item in your box will be You will get a boxy pouch, is what I call them. They're all lined on the inside. I just have some paper in there to keep the shape during shipping. Each one of them has a clasp. You can either use these as a change purse in your pocketbook, which is what I do, or a roll of doggy poo bags will fit in there for you when you take the dog on a walk. Or you can use it as put your lipstick and a little bit of makeup in these. These I also have different. Let me see what I have here. I have different colors and patterns. I have a cute little ladybug, a nice spring green, daisies, pink with daisies. I have Minnie and Mickey Mouse. So you'll get one of those. Okay, what else is in here? You will get, along the same lines of the dog, you'll get a doggy bandana. This happens to be a large. You could just tell me the size of your dog. I have small, medium, and large to give you an idea of some of the patterns. I love this one with the snowman. I have the patriotic, the flamingo, which is reversible. If you're a Yukon fan, Yukon Husky fan, I have the Yukon. So they're all different patterns. Okay. The other item, you will get one of the little purses. If you are allergic to nuts, I'll fill this with some peppermints if you'd like. But again, I just want you to know that there are almond Hershey nuggets inside of these. You will get one of the Hershey bar sewing machines. They're cute. You get another purse. This one is your chapstick purse. And inside is your little chapstick. Again, these make great stocking stuffers. You will get one of those gift card holders with the Hershey Kisses. You will get one of these. This is something that I didn't show. This is made with a Spellbinders die. This was not a good seller, and I may have overpriced this at my craft fair. First of all, what is inside? I had to explain this to a lot of the people who didn't know what it was. I did have one open for them to see. Warning, there's going to be some crinkling coming up, so shut your sound off now. Okay. These are spa wristbands. And what you do, they're very soft. You put them on your wrists, and when you are getting ready to wash your face, the water will not go down your arms or on your sleeves. It gets caught with these little wristbands. Very soft, like I said, they're very plush. And what I was telling everyone is you get home, and if you want to keep these for yourself, this is at the fair, I told them, if you want to keep these for yourself, terrific. What you do, is you open it up. These happen to be pink. You take out the wristbands, keep those for yourself. You can either fill this with candy and or a gift card, package it back up. You have little tags that I put in each one, to from, little gingerbread man tag. And there you go, you have a little gift to give. So I thought they were really cute. Didn't sell. Again, I priced them at $7.50. But you know, to be honest, even if I had them at $5 each, people were just not buying. They were oohing and ahhing a lot over everything at the booth, but they just didn't want to spend the money. These times are tough, and nobody knows what's going to happen next month, so I completely understand where they're coming from. The last item that you're going to get, crinkling, coming up, so lower your volume. Every box, let me get this out of here. Every box will have one of these notepad holders. I did a separate video of these. You will either get this one with Santa Claus going down the chimney, or you'll get this one, which is the Grinch. It says, "Cheer up, dude, it's Christmas." Or you'll get the snowman one with snowflake like home. And I just love these. I will open up one just to give you an idea again of what these look like. I'm sorry for the crinkling. I'm sorry ahead of time for the crinkling. If I can find where the opening is. There we go. And you have the little tassel with the bells. And it opens up. You have your pen holder here. This is magnetized, and you have Post-it notes in here. This opens up. You have some little memo cards here to write out your lists. And you have your junior legal pad. When this is done, you can pull this out. There's a pocket in the back, and you can just place another one in the pocket for next year. And this is also removable, the tassel, if you want to get that out of the way. So that is what's going to be in the boxes. If you're interested, send me an email, which I will include below, deborahleecrafts@gmail.com. I will get these to the post office on Monday. That will give me time to receive the orders, package them up, and get to the post office. If you have any questions, leave me a comment below, or again, send me an email. And I look forward to hearing from you. Have a great weekend, everybody. Be safe, and thank you so much for giving me the time here. Bye-bye.